Pemerintah telah menetapkan COVID-19 sebagai jenis penyakit dengan faktor risiko yang menimbulkan kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat. Dan oleh karenanya, pemerintah menetapkan status kedaruratan kesehatan masyarakat. Untuk mengatasi dampak wabah tersebut, saya telah memutuskan dalam rapat kabinet bahwa opsi yang kita pilih adalah pembatasan sosial berskala besar.
They're fighting a war here and they're losing. The sheer numbers.
Just come a time
when we had a certain calm, when the world has come together as one.
There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can go on pretending day by day
That someone, somewhere, soon make a change. We're all part of God's great big family, and the truth in all love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a better place. So let's start healing. Let's just ring. We're saving our lives. It's to make a better day. Just you and me. Oh, stand in your heart, so they know that someone cares.
and their lives will be stronger and free.
As God has shown us, by turning stones to bread, and so we all
Must lend a helping hand.
we are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a bright